Hey, what's up guys? Make Money Matt here, helping you guys make money online. Right now, I just want to show you my bank account so I can show you guys how much money that I'm making from YouTube. So, as you can see right here, I switched my bank account to Discover. If you guys have watched any of my previous videos, you'll see that my bank account was with Wells Fargo. But now I'm with Discover because they give better rates for like savings account and all that since I'm making so much money with YouTube. So I highly recommend Discover, but you guys are coming here to see how much money that I'm making from YouTube, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it too. So as you can see right here, Google and YouTube actually pay on the 21st of every month, and as you can see right here, it paid on the 22nd, because if it does not pay on the 21st, it pays on the first day, the first weekday or business day after the 21st, and as you can see, here it is on October 22nd, ACH deposit from Google. Ad rates are super high right now, and CPMs are super high, and I'll show you exactly what I mean by that in just a second. But the most recent payment from Google on November 21st is $13,767. Now, this is consistent income, guys. In the past year, I've made over $100,000 with a single YouTube channel. And I have another YouTube channel that's generating money now, too. And I want to show you exactly in that YouTube analytics, because a lot of people, they show you their bank accounts, they're trying to sell you a course, they show you fake screenshots. I'm gonna actually log into my YouTube analytics so you guys can see. Alright guys, so right now I'm logged into my YouTube analytics, and as you can see, this is for the past 28 days for a single YouTube channel, guys. This is just one YouTube channel. I have another YouTube channel generating consistent revenue as well, but this is my biggest channel, and as you can see, estimated revenue for this particular channel in the last 28 days from November 5th to December 2nd is $16,829.17. Now, 16,192 of it is from ad revenue, and 636 of it is from YouTube Premium revenue. And YouTube Premium revenue is basically YouTube pays you if someone with a YouTube Premium subscription watches your video. And if you guys are interested with this, as I mentioned before, I do have a course, link in the description, makemoneymat.com, where I show you guys how you can get approved for monetization as fast as possible so you can start making money on YouTube as fast as possible. So for this particular channel, I just want to show you guys what I mean by that the ad rates are so good right now, and now is the perfect time to jump in and get started with this method. So as you can see, the ads on here are doing absolutely incredible. So for the past day, on December 2nd, $950 from a single YouTube channel. On December 1st, $961. On November 30th, $994. And as you can see, I actually had a $1,000 day with a single channel. I've had many days making over $1,000 per day with the various YouTube channels combined. But as you can see, with this single channel, on November 26th, $1,020.27. As you can see, this has been very consistent revenue. So as you can see, now I'm showing the past 365 days for this YouTube channel. As you can see, $122,000 in the past year, guys. That's a full-time income that you can make on YouTube. It's absolutely incredible, and now is the time to jump in. And as you can see, it always spikes around the holiday season. As you can see here, was last year in December, it was spiking. I had almost a $1,000 day in December, and it goes up and down. But this is consistent revenue that you can keep going. And as you can see, even during here, $400 a day, $366 a day, $372 a day. This day, $1,175 per day on a single YouTube channel. And now, here's the kicker, guys. This is using videos I didn't even make. Now, you're probably really confused by that, and I want to explain exactly what I mean by using videos you didn't even make to generate income on YouTube. This is definitely possible, guys. It's not only possible, but I'm doing it with multiple channels. I've showed multiple of my friends how I'm doing this, and they're doing it too. And now I'm showing you guys how I do this. Now, again, if you are really interested in this, and if you're serious about making money on YouTube, just imagine what a good $200 per day could do for you. And as you can see here, around September, I was making $200 per day, and now the ad rates are so good right now. And I implemented a few new things too in November, and as you can see, the revenue is spiking. I'm going really hard on this right now, and as I tell you guys in the course, I recommend uploading like 5 to 10 videos per day. I know that sounds like a lot, but if you take time out of your day, you download these videos, you put them together, and you re-upload them, as I teach in my course, you can make a lot of money with it, and you can generate consistent revenue if you do that. I mean, imagine just what $200 a day would do, and right now my course is on sale for only $99. It's an amazing value, guys, because you're going to learn how to make money on YouTube consistently, and nobody else on YouTube is teaching this. Nobody's teaching what I'm teaching because I actually have the stats to prove it. A lot of people claim they're making money on YouTube, but they don't actually show their analytics. They don't actually show how much YouTube's paying them. But I'm actually showing you guys right now how much money that I make with YouTube, so you guys can do it too. So I'm going to show you exactly what I mean right now by uploading videos you didn't even make. Alright guys, so right now I'm going to show you a channel that's doing exactly what I'm doing, but in a different niche. Now the tech niche is really good. By the way guys, the channel that I'm making that much money on isn't Make Money Mad. It isn't the channel you're watching right now. I have a bunch of different channels in different niches, so that's why I'm even open to sharing this with you, because a lot of people don't want to share what they know with you because they're scared that you're going to go into the same niche. Now, I have a lot of different niches all over, so I'm spread out so I can show you guys how to do this. Now, the tech niche is so good, especially right now. It's the holiday season, guys. Right now is the perfect time to jump in. So this channel is called Future Tech, and I'm going to show you what they're doing, how they're making so much money with YouTube. So there's a lot of channels like this Future Tech channel, like they have some related channels right here that I've talked about in previous videos, like Quantum Tech HD, like Tech HD. Now, what these tech channels do is absolutely genius, and they make money. They make a lot of money. They make full-time income, some of them much more than even my channel that I was showing you guys, from uploading videos they didn't even make. So if we go to the About section of this channel, this Future Tech channel, as you can see, 31 million views. They joined in December of 2016. Now, 31 million views, I can tell you guys from experience, that comes out to easily over $60,000 from this single YouTube channel. And they're not taking advantage as much as they could, because they're not uploading as many videos as I recommend. You can make a lot more with this. The sky's the limit, really, with this method. So here's one of their example videos right here. And as you can see, if we scroll down, well, first off, taking a look at the video here, as you can see, it just looks at these different tech products. Like here's showing some fancy drone, is showing some baby monitor, is showing all these cool products. And as you can see, the title is 5 Cool Things to Buy on Amazon in 2018, 4.9 million views. And that equals definitely, especially with this niche, especially with the nature of tech ads on YouTube being so high, such high CPMs, I would estimate, based off of my own experience, that this video has generated easily over $8,000 at the minimum. I mean, this video could have generated as much as like $16,000. Now, taking a look, how does this channel do it? Where does this channel find videos? You're probably wondering, to upload to YouTube that they didn't even make. Now, here is how they find videos. So for this particular channel, 5 Cool Things to Buy on Amazon in 2018, as you can see, they leave the Amazon links to the product in the description of the video. So as you can see, they show the Sesame Smart Lock, they show the DJI Mavic, which is the drone that they're showing in the video. And what's so good about this is that these are also Amazon affiliate links. Now, this is there's one more way you can make money with YouTube, and I make some money with the Amazon affiliate link, but I make much more money with YouTube advertising on my YouTube videos with Google AdSense, which pays me monthly, going straight into my bank account every single month. But it's a nice other way to earn some money. But how do they get away with this using videos that they didn't even make? Now, basically, what they do is they find these products maybe on Kickstarter, maybe on Indiegogo, maybe on Amazon even, and they edit together a quick video like 5 Cool Things to Buy in 2018. You just stitch the videos together. In my course, I show you guys how to exactly put that together, and I show you the best niches so you can get started with this right away with no hassle. But for this video, as you can see, they show the Amazon links, and DJI, which is the manufacturer that makes these drones, they're not going to copyright strike this video for using their video because it's basically a free advertisement. This whole 11-minute video is essentially a free advertisement for every single product that is shown in the video. It's essentially a free advertisement, so they're not going to copyright strike someone who's giving them free advertising. And as you can see, they're doing a great job with keywords. They're doing a great job with their descriptions and everything. I show you exactly how to do that in my course. Again, link in description. Essentially, this video is a huge ad for all these different products. I mean, it's essentially a big advertisement, and people watch it. Look, 5 million views on this particular video. Now, the tech niche isn't the only niche to do this. The sky is the limit, and in my course, I show you how to find other videos, getting into, like, Creative Commons videos even, how you can find videos on YouTube that aren't copyright, that you can upload, not even be scared of getting any copyright complaints at all. So, guys, this, in my opinion, is the #1 way to make money online in 2018 and going into 2019 here. If you want to make money online as a beginner, this is the best method in my opinion. I've looked for so many different methods. And on this YouTube channel, by the way, guys, I'm going to be sharing with you any new methods that I come across of making money online, so be sure to subscribe, leave a like on this video. But this is the best method because it requires no spending on Facebook ads, it requires no spending on anything, no monthly subscriptions, anything like that. You can get started with this if you have a computer and an internet subscription today. Again, guys, if you're interested in jumping in, the course is only $99 right now. Link in the description, makemoneymatt.com. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.